Good afternoon, sir. My name is Daniel L. Bugawan from BSEMT 2B, and this is my summative test. First question: what kind of breaker is that? The breaker that we use in our house is the double pole breakers. We use this kind of breaker because this is the common breaker that used in household. Second question: how does it work? Double pole breakers have two big hot wires that are connected by a single neutral wire. That means if there's a short circuit on either of the pole's hot wires, both trip. These breakers can be used to serve two separate 120 volt circuits, or they can serve a single 240 volt circuit, such as your central AC circuit. Third question: possible cause of the breaker you have. I asked my father what the price of the breaker we were using was, and he said more or less 600 pesos. Fourth question: advantage of having such a breaker. Circuit breakers are more responsive than fuse. Breakers are more dependable than circuit breakers. Circuit breakers are more sensitive than other types of breakers. And having a breaker is to avoid short circuit and to prevent fire in our home. Fifth question: why you or your household did choose that kind of breaker? My papa said that's why the double pole breakers are used here in our house, because this breaker is the commonly used, and this kind of breaker are able to control the electrical wiring of our house. And so this is what used here at our house because this is what the electrician suggested. He said that this breaker had good quality, inexpensive, and compatible in the wiring of our house. And the lesson that I have learned in this module is when we use breaker in our wiring, we can ensure safety because safety is very important. That's all. Thank you.